Hey everybody, so tonight I'm going to show you what a Domino's in China is like. I'm going to order a pizza for takeaway to take it back and eat it at the house. But so this is what a Domino's looks like. This is a smaller location. They're all pretty much the same like this. They have a small area where you can eat here, or there's also the takeout window. Takeout windows over here, as you can see. But yeah, I'm gonna go up here and order a 12-inch Supreme pizza, and I'll let you guys know how it is, like how much it is and stuff like that. So yeah, here once you order, then they'll tell you the status of it on this TV that's in the lobby here. So my order, I just ordered, is $8.78, and we'll hang out here, and then once it gets to the please pick up, then I'll go pick it up and take it home. Yeah, so as I'm just hanging out waiting on the pizza to be ready, I just noticed there's a new escape room here. I went over there to ask them just to make sure that's what it was. But so when it comes to pizzas here in China, you know, you guys saw the Pizza Hut video. So this is Domino's. They also have Papa John's here. And then there's some Chinese branded takeout chains. And then there's also some how to say, like the, you know, no brands. They're just like the pizza shop. And then over in Shukko, in my other videos, you can see, you know, there's also some pizza places and Italian restaurants that expats opened here. But yeah, you can find lots of pizza here in Shenzhen. My favorite for takeout, just like it is in the States, is Papa John's, just because the flavor and the toppings here is very close to what you can get back home. But here in China, like just like it is in the States, Papa John's is solely takeout. Like if you do find one, you can't eat in there. Now they used to have it where you could eat at those locations, but over time, I guess they didn't get enough demand for the in-shop, you know, people that wanted to dine. So they just went ahead and made it to where it's just takeout only for Papa John's. So I ordered a deluxe pizza just now. I'm still waiting on it. And, you know, here in China, the Western restaurants or the Western chains, American chains, whether it be McDonald's, KFC, Pizza Hut, you know, they'll have stuff on the menu, or they'll do their menu items to appeal to the local taste here. So for example, on this deluxe pizza, they have stuff that we normally wouldn't find on a deluxe pizza back home, such as corn. And they also put pineapple on there. So yeah, that's one thing that if you do order over here, you might have to tell them to leave some stuff off of it and kind of more or less, you know, customize your pizza a little bit more, or you'll be caught with some surprise toppings on there. So it's Wednesday here in China, and the main reason I came to Domino's tonight is because today there's a 30% discount on the pizzas. And there's all these promotions too. Like this one says that Domino's has now opened more than 20,000 locations worldwide. So there's also a special price or special discount deal of 28 RMB for, I guess, these two types of pizzas. But yeah, that's normally why I'll either order a pizza on a Tuesday or Wednesday just to get this deal. So here real quick is the pizza. You can see where I told you they put the corn and the pineapple on it. You know, after the discount is like 60 RMB, which is about $8 and some change for a 12-inch deluxe pizza. Well, I'm going to dive into this. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time.